the Sony TX5 camera. Capture the world in style, no matter where you are. The incredibly thin TX5 backs up its stunning good looks with rugged performance. Certified waterproof up to 10 feet, plus dustproof, shockproof, and even freeze-proof. Even the 3-inch diagonal touchscreen display works underwater. To view your photos, just slide your finger across the screen. For beautiful 258-degree panoramic shots, just press the shutter and shoot the scene with a sweeping motion. The camera does the rest. With a 10.2 megapixel Exmor-R CMOS sensor, the TX5 delivers stunning low-light performance with improved image clarity and drastically reduced grain. The Sony TX5 camera.